Good afternoon, dear students. This is your English period. Bring out your Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition. Today we will do page number 52. Sorry. Today we will do the page number 52. Lesson having these, that, these and those. Use of these, that, these and those. Yesterday we learned about this and that. These things we near to us, that things which are far to us. Today we will learn these and those also. Open your book, page number 52. These is used for many persons, places or things that are near to us. These are pens. What I am saying? These are pens. Why I am using word these? Because there are many things which are near to me. So these is used for many persons, place or things that are near to us. Those. If I am keeping that pens there, so what will we say? Those are pens. What will we say? Those are pens. Those is used for many things, places or persons that are far from us. Those is used for many things, places or persons that are far from us. Those are pens. When it is near to us, these are pens. When they are far to me, those are pens. Okay? You can see these are shoes. Those are puppies. This boy is saying these are shoes. Those are puppies because shoes are near to boy, but puppies are far to the boys. These are umbrellas. Those are cars. You can also see cars are far from the boy and umbrellas are near to the boy. That's why he is saying these are umbrellas, these are shoes, those are puppies, those are cars. So students, this is very clear. This and this is used for near things. That and those used for far things. This is a singular word. These is a plural word. That is a singular word. Those is the plural word. Okay. Now let's practice. We will do exercise in our notebook and book. Are birds. This boy having two birds in his hand. That's why we are saying these are birds. Trees are far from the boy. So what will we say? Those are trees. Understood? Birds are near the boy. That's why we are saying these are birds. But trees are far from the boy. That's why we are saying those are trees. Now that is a big airplane. Airplane is the far from the boy. That is a big airplane. Why we are using that? Because airplane is far from the boy. This is a book. Why we are using this? Because book is near to the boy. What I will also say? This is my book. This is my book. Because book is near to me. If book is there, then what will we say? What I will say? That is the book. Because book is far from me. That's why I am saying that is a book. If book is in my hand, then what will I say? This is my book. Like this book is in the hand of a boy. That's why this is a book. Train. That is a train. Train is far from the girl. Train is far from the girl. That's why she said that is a train. So you will write the sentences in your notebook. These many near, those many but far. These are birds. Those are trees. That is a big airplane. This is a boat. That is a train. Okay? Write in your notebook. Now, come on page number 53. We will discuss about page number 53. What is written on the page number 53? Look at the pictures of Venkatesh in his room. The name of this boy is Venkatesh. Venkatesh के रूम के अंदर आपको पिक्चर्स देखनी है और इसको फिल द ब्लैंक्स को कंप्लीट करना है. Look at the pictures of Venkatesh in his room. Complete the sentences below using these, that, these, those. Hint: see if Venkatesh is near or far from the things he is talking about. One has been done for you. हमें वेंकटेश के रूम की पिक्चर्स को देखना है और उस पिक्चर के अंदर कौन सी चीज़ वेंकटेश के नियर है और कौन सी थिंग वेंकटेश से फार है. अगर नियर होगा और सिंगल वर्ड होगी तो दिस, फार होगा और सिंगल थिंग होगी तो दैट. अगर नियर होगी और सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर देन वी विल यूज दीज. फार होगा और so many things will be there, then we say those. ये आपको अच्छे से सोचना है. this, that, these, those. This and that use for singular word. These and those use for singular, plural things, places or persons. This and these use for near. That and those use for far. So look, first. These are my shoes. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में देखिए. शूज आर इन द हैंड्स ऑफ वेंकटेश. सो ही इज सेइंग दीज आर माय शूज. माय आंट गिव दीज टू मी एज अ गिफ्ट. ये किसने दिए हैं तो उसमें आप क्या लिखोगे? दीज. बिकॉज शूज कितने हैं? मोर देन वन, टू. देयर आर टू शूज. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल यूज दीज. These are my shoes. My aunt gave this to me as a gift. ये शूज है और ये शूज मेरी आंट ने दी. फर्स्ट पिक्चर को देख करके हमने बस क्वेश्चन किया. सेकंड पिक्चर देखिए बात. इज माई स्टोरी बुक. इज आ रहा है, सिंगुलर वर्ड होगा. और आप ये भी देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी ऑल्सो हाउ मेनी बुक्स इन द हैंड्स ऑफ द वेंकटेश. ओनली वन. So this we will use first letter should be capital because it is the starting of the sentence. This is my story book. Mummy bought this for me. इसे कौन लाया है? My mother bring this book for me. I love books. This is my story book. Mummy bought this for me. I love books. Now come on third picture. I also like to play badminton. Fill the blanks. This is my racket. एक ही रैकेट है उसके हैंड में, है ना? उसके हैंड्स में कितने रैकेट है? Only one. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? We will write this because sentence is starting with this. That's why we will write T capital. We write capital letter when the sentence is start. You can see in the picture racket is near to the boy. That's why we are using this. And racket is only one. So we are using this. अगर two rackets होते तो we will use these. Okay? This is my racket. Now picture D. See the picture D. I draw pictures. I do pictures with crayons. आप देख रहे हो उसके पास कितने crayons हैं? There are many crayons. और जब बहुत सारी चीजें उसके पास में हैं, सबसे पहले क्या देखा हमने? Things are near to him and the things are many. So we will use these. What will we use? These crayons. Things are near to him and number of things are more than one. So we are using these. पास में तो है और ज़्यादा है. That's why we are using these. I do pictures with these crayons. Question E. See the picture 5th. Is my computer. I play games on it. How many computers are there? Only one. And boy is near to the computer or far to the computer? You can see in the picture. Boy is near the computer. That's why we will use this. And computer is one. So this is my computer. We use this one. This is my computer. I play games on it. Last picture. See the last picture. Are all my things. दूर खड़ा है. Boy is far from the things and saying are my things. What is saying? Are all my things. दूर है. Those आएगा. दूर के लिए क्या आता है? सबसे पहले आगे सोचो. दूर के लिए आता है that आता है, those आता है ना? दो वर्ड्स आ रहे दूर के लिए. Far के लिए that and those. अब अगर all are my things, it means things are many. That भी आता है far के लिए, those भी आता है. But things are many. That's why we will use those. Those all are my things. Those are all my things. So हमने पिक्चर्स को देखा. उन पिक्चर्स को देख करके हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया कि where we have to write these, that, these, those. This question you will do in your book only, and this question you will do in your notebook. Okay? Then this chapter is complete. Last page 54. See the page number 54. Very simple. आप अपने आप कर सकते हैं. You can do by it yourself. See here. This is a bag. One is done for you. Are mangoes up on the tree? Up mangoes are far from the boy. Those are mangoes up on the tree. Is very pretty flower. Flower is near to the girl. So we will write this is a very pretty flower. Is my toy store. Toy store is near to the boy or girl? It is near to girl. This is a toy store. Is the moon. Moon is far from the girl. And moon is only one. So we write that is the moon. Birds. Birds are near to the girl. These are birds. Are toys. Toys are near to the boy. So what will we write? These are toys. So your homework complete. What is your homework? Complete page number 54 in your book, where you will write these, that, these or those. I hope you all are understand the concept of these, that, these and those. Okay.